Hello students, good morning. Now today we have start exercise 13, that is about the cone. Cone is one type of shape of the ice cream cone. Okay, and it has two height. One is the perpendicular height and another is slanting height. Perpendicular height is h, radius r, then we can find slanting height L equal to root r square plus h square. So this formula will be used in 13.3. Okay. Now we are going to solve question 1. Diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and its length height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. Okay. Now diameter is given 10.5. Therefore radius r equal to 10.5 upon 2. That is 5.25 centimeter. If you divide, you will obtain 5.25 centimeter. Slant height L equal to 10 centimeter. Now we have find curved surface area of the cone. So write down the formula. Curved surface area of the cone equal to pi r L. This is the formula for 13.3 exercise. Okay. Now put the value of pi 22 upon 7 multiply 5.25 multiply 10. If you cut 5.25 by 7, okay, then it will be multiply with 22 and 10. You will obtain 165 centimeter square. So this is the formula of, this is the solution of question 1. One formula is used here. Curved surface area of the cone equal to pi r L. Now question 2. Find the total surface area of a cone if its length height is 21 meter, diameter is 24 meter. Now we can solve in this way. Slant height L equal to 21 meter, diameter 24 meter. So find the radius r equal to d upon 2, diameter upon 2 divide by 2. That is 24 upon 2, 12 to the 24. So radius equal to 12 meter. Now we have find the total curved surface area of the cone. So write down total curved surface area of the cone equal to pi r into bracket L plus r or r plus L, both are same. Okay, this formula will use for the total surface area. Now put the value of pi 22 upon 7 multiply radius r 12 multiply into bracket 21 plus 12. 21 plus 12 will be 33. No will cut any number by 7. 12, 33, no one cut. So multiply 22 multiply 12 multiply 33, you will obtain 8712. Now divide by 7, so you will obtain 1244.57 meter square. Now we are going to solve question 3. Okay, so read first question 3. Curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeter square and its length height is 14 centimeter. So here we have find two things. Okay, first radius of the base and total surface area of the cone. So To find the radius of the base, we will start from the cut surface area that is given in question. Okay, now now solution. Okay, slant height L equal to 14 centimeter, curved surface area equal to 308 centimeter square. We have not find here area is given. Okay, so start with the formula. Curved surface area of the cone equal to pi r L. Area is given 308. So 308 equal to value of pi 22 upon 7 multiply radius we have find multiply L 14. Therefore R equal to 308 multiply 7 upon 22 multiply 14. Okay, now cut the number 7 to the 14 and 308 cut by 2, so 5 15 154 sorry 7 okay 1 5 and 4. So now multiply this, you will obtain R equal to 7. Or another way, 22 multiply 14 will be 308, 308, 308 cut, you will obtain R equal to 7 centimeter. You can do any way as you like. Okay, so first answer is obtained, first question is solved. Radius of the base of the cone is 7 centimeter. Now this radius R will use in second number. Total surface area of the cone equal to pi r into bracket r plus L. Value of pi 22 upon 7 multiply 7 multiply 14 plus 7, 22 upon 7 multiply 7 multiply 14 plus 7 21, 7 7 cut, 22 multiply 21 you will obtain 462 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the cone. Okay, now here question 4. Conical tent is 10 meter height and the radius of the base is 24. We have find here slant height and cost of canvas required to make the tent. 1 meter square cost 70 rupees. First we have find first answer slant height. Okay, so H equal to 10, R equal to 24, L we have find. So formula L equal to root R square plus H square. So 24 square plus 10 square. 24 square is the 576 plus 10 square is the 100. Make the total 676 root and value of root 76 is 676 is 26, because you multiply this 26 multiply 26 you will obtain 676. Therefore the square root of the 676 is 26 meters. So one answer is obtained, L equal to 26. Now second question. First we have find the cost. So before find the cost, first we have find cut surface area of the cone. So cut surface area of the cone means tent equal to pi r L. So value of pi 22 upon 7 multiply radius 24 and L we have early find 26. Okay, 7 will not cut with any number, so make it as it is. Now we have find the cost of canvas. So cost of canvas 1 meter square equal to 70 rupees. Therefore, this much meter square equal to how much? Now 22 upon 7 multiply 24 multiply 26 multiply 70. Okay, how we write here 70? Because cost is given in question, 1 meter square equal to 70. Now cut 7 tens are 70 and multiply all this number, you will obtain 137,280 cost of canvas, that is okay. Now this is the 4 number. Now last sum, example 5. Another example is reduced syllabus. Okay, question 5. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter? Okay. So first we have find L, h equal to 8 meter, r equal to 6 meter. So L equal to root r square plus h square. So put the value 6 square plus 8 square. 6 square 36, 8 square 64. Make the total 100 and square root of 100 is 10 meter, because 10 multiply 10 100, 10 square is the 100. First we are now going to find curved surface area of the cone equal to pi r L. So value of pi is given in question, 3.14 multiply radius 6 multiply L 10. Okay, so multiply all this, you will obtain 188.4 meter square. Here width is given 3 meter and we have find length. Okay, so length equal to 188.4 upon 3, because when you buy tarpaulin from the market, it will be rectangle, that is length multiply breadth. Okay, breadth means width. Now 188.4 divide 3 equal to 62.4 meter. This is the length of the tarpaulin. Now extra length of material required 20 centimeter equal to 0.2 meter. Now actual length of the tarpaulin required 62.8 plus 0.2 equal to 63 meter. Okay students, now 1 to 5 question completed. Thank you very much.